Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hello, Srish.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll come
Is
in
it
2 minutes now.
okay? Good evening.
Yes, ma'am, I'm back.
Okay. So, last day I gave you the homework, but I didn't get it again.
Yes, ma'am.
The homework, the solution of the homework that I gave you last day, I didn't get it yet.
I've sent it to
Is
you.
it audible? Where?
I'm on this platform only, ma'am, Teachmint.
Okay. Okay. Oh, then check. Did you send me today?
I submitted.
Hello. Okay. But I can't see it right now. Did you send me today?
No, ma'am, I sent it on. I think I sent it on Sunday.
Okay. So is it done properly right now? Is it done properly?
Yes, ma'am, I have done it.
Okay. Because without checking, I can't tell you, na. Okay,
Yes.
so I discuss further things, and if there will be any problem in all those homework solutions, then I will clear it. Okay, later.
Okay.
So first of all, when the second or third class was going on, then that day I told you that how to find an irrational between any two numbers. Got it? Can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. So on the very first day or second day, I told you how to find out an irrational number between any two numbers. Okay. In that case, what we were doing to find out any irrational number between any two numbers. Suppose A and B is there. Okay. Irrational
Yes.
number between them. Irrational number
One irrational
them.
number.
That is what under root AB. Okay.
Yes.
Under root AB will be there. Okay. But there is another method also. Okay. There is another method also. That is what? Decimal method. Okay. Decimal method. Suppose there is a number 2 and 2.5. Okay. 2 and 2.5. Okay. And we have to find out irrational number between them. Okay. Then what is the property of an irrational number? The decimal expansion of an irrational number is never terminated and never recurred. Okay. It doesn't recur also. It doesn't terminate also. So how? What we will write? We will take any number between these two. This is 2. It means 2.0, and this is 2.5, isn't it? This is 2 and 2.5. So 2.0 and 2.5. Okay. So what we will do? We will take any number between them. Suppose I take 2.10100010000 and dots will be put there. Dots are required to put here. Okay, because it indicates that it is not getting terminated and it will not recur also. Okay, in this case it will go up to infinity. It is not forming a pattern. Okay, it is not forming a pattern. I take another example. Suppose 2.23451056782172. Anything we will write down and dots will be put there. Okay, anything we will write down and dots will be put. Dots are required. So what did I want to say? Actually, The thing is, we have to take such decimal numbers which are never terminated and which are never recurred. Okay, these two are what? Irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5. First method, this was the first method, second method. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, have you got it properly? Have you got it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
From your side, too much sound is coming, and I want your response also. So don't mute.
I'm not
Okay.
muting a call.
Actually, one call was there, and other sound, extra sound was coming. Okay, no problem. And now I'm moving to the another topic. Okay, and listen all the things properly because I will give you the homework also, and I will check that homework that you have submitted. I will check that homework. If any problem will be there, then I will discuss later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am moving to the next topic, that is operations on real numbers. Operations on real numbers. Operations on real numbers. As I have written here, real number. Real number means what? It is a combination of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, it is a combination of rational and irrational numbers. It means we have to take both of them, and all the operations will be put there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the things. Okay, so we will take like this. Suppose a is rational number, b is irrational number, like this. B is root b. Okay, this is what? Addition. And this is what? Subtraction. This is what? Subtraction of a rational and an irrational numbers. Okay, next thing is multiplication. A multiplied root b. It means what? A root b we can write. Okay, this is the example of multiplication. The next thing is for division. A divided root b. Okay, this is for division. So these are the operations done on real numbers, and in all these cases what we find, one is given rational and another is irrational. Okay, one is rational, another is irrational. So in both the cases, when they are operated, when they are combined by operations, by mathematical operations, in this case all these what we get are irrational numbers. Okay, all these are what? Irrational numbers. Okay, it means, in other words, we can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of an irrational and a rational number is always an irrational number. Okay, in other words, we write addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of a rational and irrational numbers is always irrational. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of a rational and an irrational number is always irrational. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Now I tell you very important thing that comes in the examinations. Okay, before this class we have studied how to indicate the numbers like root 3, root 2, root 5, root 6, root 7 on the number line, isn't it? In that same way, another thing is there, like decimal number of irrational number. Just listen like this. Suppose this is 3.5, under root 3.5. 3.5 is a decimal number also, and it is completely an irrational number because this is a square root of an perfect square, non-perfect square. Okay, so how to indicate on the number line? we have to indicate under root 3.5 on the number line. Okay, very important. Okay, this is very important. Now, to indicate this one, how we do? Just listen here. Okay, I'm moving to the next page. Just where are you looking? Can you see the board?
On book.
Okay. Okay. All those things you are noting down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But listen here, this is very important thing. What I'm telling, under root 3.5, we have to indicate on the number line. Okay, under root 3.5, and many other numbers like this. How we will indicate on the number line? Just listen. First, we will take a number line, and we will cut. This is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Okay, better we will take centimeter here. Okay, this is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and one more centimeter we will take, 1 centimeter. Okay, this is what? 1 centimeter. One centimeter. Got it? Now, this is point A and this is point B. This AB will be bisected. You can see this is totally how much? From here to here, this is 4.5. Okay, 4.5. And this line segment will be bisected. Okay, this line segment will be bisected. Okay, bisected. Do you know how to cut this to get the midpoint? Suppose this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Okay, this is point O. This is point O. Okay. This is point O. O is the midpoint of AB. O is the midpoint of AB. Now, we will consider O like midpoint, O like origin and OA or OB as radius. Okay, we will consider this O as origin, and OA or OB will be considered as radii, and there will be a semicircle formed. There will be a semicircle formed like this. Okay, O is the origin, OA, OB is the radius. Now, at this point C, we will construct 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree will be there, and this one will be formed like this. This is 90 degree. Okay, we got the point D. Now, C will be considered as origin, and CD will be considered as yes, and we will take an arc which will fall here like this. This is point E. Okay, and E is indicating for under root 3.5. Okay, this is indicating for this is 3.5. Okay, let me tell you again, let me repeat this. Okay, first what I did, on a line we took AC as 3.5 centimeter. Okay, AC as 3.5 centimeter. Now, again CB is taken as 1 more centimeter. Okay, on that same line we have taken CB as 1 centimeter again. Now, this part, which part? AB. AB is bisected at O point. Okay, this line AB is bisected at point O, and O will be considered as origin, and OA or OB will be considered as radii, and this semicircle will be formed. Okay, now at point C we will construct a perpendicular line which will move like this, and it will give us point D. It will give us point D. Now the last step is there. C will be considered as origin and CD will be considered as radius, and an arc will be formed like this, which will fall on the number line, which will fall on the line at point E. And now this point is what? Under root 3.5. Got it? Like
Yes,
this it
ma'am.
happens. Is it clear or should I repeat?
No, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. So, in that same way, I give you a question. Indicate under root 4.5 on the number line. From your side, you do it. On the number line.
Rough.
You can write down this one also on your page, and after that you indicate 4.5 on the number line.
I have to draw it in a rough diagram.
What?
I have to draw it rough, or you have to
Yeah,
take
no.
compass.
Uh, right now you have to do roughly, but later on when I'll give you the homework, then you will do it with use of compasses. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, then show it to me. Oh,
Ma'am, can you see it? Ma'am? Fuck. Ma'am, did you see it, ma'am?
Shreyas, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. So now I'm moving towards the next topic, that is what operations on irrational numbers. Okay. Operations on irrational numbers. Suppose this is under root a b. Okay. This is under root a b. Then what can it be written like? It can be written like under root a multiplied by under root b. Okay. Under root a multiplied by under root b. Okay. If it is like a by b, okay, a by b is there, then we can write like under root a divided by under root b. Okay, or vice versa also. In the vice versa form also we can write. If it is written like RHS form, then we can write like LHS form. Okay. The next thing is under root a plus under root b, then under root a minus under root b. It means
A
what?
minus.
We can write, okay, you would be knowing the multiplication, how it is done. First, this will be multiplied with this one and this one. Then secondly, this one will be multiplied with this one and this one.
Right.
All the terms of the first form will be multiplied by the all the terms of the next one. Okay, like this it happens. So, under root a multiplied by under root a, it means a. And this is under root AB. Now this is minus under root AB and minus B. Okay, since both the terms are addition and subtraction is there and same terms are there, so both of them will be deducted and it will be written like A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving towards the next page. Next one is a plus root b, a minus root b. A plus root b, a minus root b. Okay, like this it happens. Then this one will be a square plus a root b minus a root b minus b. These both terms are same and both are having different signs. It means both will be deducted. It means a square minus b. Okay, a square minus b. Next thing is,
Yes, ma'am.
if it is like under root a plus under root b and it is multiplied with under root c plus under root d. If it is like this, then what happens? All the terms of the first one will be multiplied by all the terms of the second one. Same process will be done. AC plus BC plus AD plus BT. It will be like this. Okay. Any
Yes,
problem?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, last one is, if it is having the form like this, under root a plus under root b whole square. Whole square means what? The same term is multiplied by this one again. Okay. It means what? We have the formula a plus b whole square. What is the formula? Can you tell me? A plus
Shall I
b
tell?
whole square.
Ma'am, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It means it will be like under root a square means what? A plus 2ab.
Plus
It means what?
ab.
2 under root ab plus b square. B square means what? Under root b square. It means simply it is b. Okay. So this thing is done. Okay, these are the processes, these are the operations done on irrational numbers, and there is nothing difference between this one and rational and irrational. Simply, we have to consider that whatever the operations we are doing for rational and irrational, then simply the result also will be irrational number. Processes will be same, but the result will always be irrational number. Okay. Now, next thing is very important, and what I'm going to tell you about rationalization. 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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Shreyas, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the whiteboard?
No, ma'am.
It is shared with you. I'm sharing again. Okay. Wait a minute. Is it done right now? Can you see?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm asking you what is the meaning of rationalization? Well, first of the thing is there, when we have some forms like this, when denominator is in standard form, sorry, when denominator is in irrational form. Suppose this is 1 by root b, 1 by a plus root b, okay, 1 by root b plus c, like this, 1 by a root b, like this. In all these examples, what we see that denominators are in irrational form. In this case, the standard form is not acquired. Okay, to get a standard form, getting a standard form for a fraction means what? In all those fractions, we have to put the denominators in rational number form. Okay, but in all these cases, these all are irrational. So first we have to make it rationalized and to make it in standard form by getting it like a rational number. Okay, I'm moving towards the next page, and first I'm doing like this. Suppose this is
Ma'am.
like a by, huh? Yes,
Ma'am, the whiteboard is black, ma'am. Can you present it again?
yeah, wait. Is it seen clearly?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I
Can
can't see it.
I'm sharing again. Is- Can you see this?
No,
Can you
ma'am.
see this?
No, ma'am.
Can you
It
rejoin?
showed. Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Can you sit now?
No, ma'am.
Why this happening? Wait. Can you see this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm exiting the class, but right after that I will rejoin. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
भाई पानी ले आओ.
Can you see the whiteboard?
No, ma'am.
Still you can't see?
No, ma'am. यहाँ पर एक white board नहीं है.
Oh. I'm telling about the whiteboard only. Can you see the whiteboard?
No, ma'am. I can't see. कर लिया लॉगिन कर लिया मैं. नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो ना?
नहीं हो रहा.
उनको बोलो एक बार
वो भी उनने भी कर लिया लॉगिन.
वो नेटवर्क का एक बार और कर.
कनेक्टेड है.
अरे नेटवर्क का उनकी तरफ का नेटवर्क.
अच्छा.
From this side, everything is fine.
हमारा लॉगआउट लॉगिन करने के लिए बोलो उनको. नहीं लॉगआउट करो.
No, one minute. I am region.
Okay.